Coffee Meets Bagel is a dating app designed to offer a more thoughtful alternative to fast-paced swipe culture. Instead of showing endless profiles, it delivers a limited number of curated matches each day, called bagels. The idea is to prioritize quality over quantity and encourage users to take time with each connection. In practice, many users appreciate the app's slower, more intentional approach. The daily match limit reduces decision fatigue and can make conversations feel more genuine. Coffee Meets Bagel also uses detailed profiles and personalized algorithms to suggest people who are more likely to be compatible. The app includes conversation prompts, icebreakers, and profile sections that encourage meaningful interaction instead of surface-level swiping. On the positive side, Coffee Meets Bagel has built a reputation for fostering long-term relationships rather than casual encounters. Users often highlight its clean interface, straightforward design, and the fact that the app feels less overwhelming than larger platforms. The focus on thoughtful matching appeals to those who want more serious dating outcomes. However, there are downsides. Some users feel limited by the small number of daily matches, especially in smaller cities where the dating pool is already reduced. Others mention that premium features, like seeing who likes you or accessing more matches per day, are locked behind a subscription. Match quality can also vary depending on location, and those seeking casual connections may find the app slower than alternatives. In summary, Coffee Meets Bagel is worth considering if you're looking for a dating app that emphasizes meaningful connections and long-term relationships. It's best for users who value quality over speed. But if you prefer endless options, instant matches, or casual dating, other apps may better suit your needs. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.